TicketGoose is an online bus ticketing portal. It's one of the pioneers in bus tickets. We actually started way back in 2007. So in the last 5 years, we have been very strong on the B2B network. We have had a lot of agents. We have got around 2,000 plus ticket booking agents across the southern India. In Hyderabad alone, we have got around 500 agents today. So we are looking at expanding into even these two-tier cities. Today we have representation in Vijayawada, Vizag. We are looking at getting into smaller towns like Guntur, Rajamundry and Nellore also. So in another 5 years time, we hope to be in all towns across India, all small cities in India, so at least with around 36 offices across India. That is what our plan is. And we are looking to sell at least 1,20,000 tickets a day by in another 4 to 5 years time. We are kind of now working with almost 500 plus operators. So we serve to more than 5,000 plus destinations today. So and there will be around 10,000, 12,000 plus schedules that are listed. So we are almost any operator who is online in India is there in TicketGoose today. So and we are also enabling operators to come online. There are a lot of operators who don't have their own websites or they are not able to handle the technology. So we have our own software division which enables operators to come online, and we provide them this software. This software solution again is a cutting edge technology which is hosted on the cloud. It's a SaaS based model, which means that the operator just needs to pay for how much ever they use. So that is how we have, and it is very light on for the operators. If you look at it, Hyderabad kind of is the center of South India, and a lot of long distance routes emanate from Hyderabad. You have routes like Hyderabad Coimbatore, Hyderabad Trivandrum, Hyderabad Mumbai, Hyderabad Pune, to almost in all directions you have buses from Hyderabad. And we are looking at least garnering a major chunk of this market. We already have an established network of 500 plus agents who are there in Hyderabad for us, and we have got a lot of online customers also who book tickets for us in Hyderabad. So our focus is not just Hyderabad, but again into all small towns and cities in Andhra. So and we are also now tied up with almost every operator who is there in Hyderabad.